Here's how I organize new fabric once I get it home. I start by cutting off a smaller piece from each of the fabrics. I store the smaller pieces in these bins, which I have organized by color. If I have a fabric that has more than one color, I'll cut multiple strips and place one strip inside each bin. I select fabric from these bins when I'm slow stitching. I can easily see everything I've got. I have bigger bins tucked inside of a cupboard, which hold the bigger pieces of fabric. These are also sorted by color. It's always a good idea to use clear bins to organize your fabric. I always keep this little bin on my desk, so whenever I'm slow stitching, I can just place the really small pieces of fabric and thread in here. Most of my thread and floss is organized by color, just like the fabric. These containers have lids, so when I'm not doing any slow stitching, I'll put the lids on and stack them all together on a shelf. You don't need to spend a lot to stay organized. All of my containers come from the dollar store. They all have lids, so it's easy to stack them wherever you have space. Let's take a quick look at the bead storage. The top two drawers have packages that have multicolors in them. The rest of the drawers are organized by colors. I've been using these organizers for probably over 20 years, and they still work great. I just want to mention that this kind of collection of stuff doesn't happen overnight. I've been collecting my arts and craft supplies for probably over 30 years now.